Nettle tea is one of the easiest way how you can help yourself, especially women after 50. Let me give you my recipe first, because I want you to have this immediately. Take 250 milliliters of hot water, not fully boiling, just hot. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of dry nettle leaves. If you have access to fresh nettle, use 1 small handful. Never handle fresh nettle with bare hands. Pour the hot water over the leaves. Cover the cup and let it steep 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea. You can add a few drops of lemon juice for taste and extra vitamin C support. And if you have blood sugar issues, a very small amount of honey is fine. But drinking it plain gives you cleanest result. Start with 1 cup per day. Observe your body for the first few days. Use this protocol 10 to 40 days, then take the break and assess. And my first recommendation that I observed with my patients for the last 26 years when I recommended nettle tea. It really can help you with your joint discomfort. You have swelling in your joints, you have the swollen legs, you have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, a similar kind of condition, stiffness, pain. Nettle tea is one of the gentlest way how you can help yourself. And women who experience joint stiffness in the morning, muscle discomfort, back pain, or the general sense of physical heaviness often report meaningful improvement after structured nettle protocol. But I want to be completely honest with you, nettle tea does not cure arthritis, it does not rebuild cartilage, it does not replace physical therapy or medical treatment. What it does, it supports the inflammatory environment. And for many women, that support makes a real difference when it's used as a part of complete protocol, not in isolation. One of the unbelievable health benefits is going to be support your kidney functions. This is what is the maybe nettle tea most known for. It's going to be, of course, removing swelling from the body, those fluid retention, those kidney problems. Nettle has been used for centuries as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess water, reduce puffiness, and support kidney clearance. If you wake up with swollen ankles, puffy eyes, tight rings on your fingers, or a bloated and heavy belly, this is one of the most consistent plans I use for the fluid supports in my practice. But here is my clinical warning. Swelling is never just a swelling. It can be connected to poor circulation, lymphatic stagnation, excess sodium, hormonal changes, kidney function, heart function, liver overload, or medication side effects. And nettle tea may support fluid elimination, but it does not diagnose the cause. If your swelling is severe, persistent, or comes with shortness of breath, please see your doctor before reaching for any teas. One of the unbelievable health benefits that is scientifically proven, my dear woman, is going to be allergy support. We live in the world that those allergies is unbelievably rise for the last 20 years for many reasons. And if you want good quality natural supports, I'm going to recommend you use nettle tea. Some compounds in the nettle may help support the body histamine response, which makes it traditionally used for hay fever, sneezing, itchy eyes, and sinus irritation. For women who feel worse even every spring or autumn, whose eyes water and whose nose runs at the slightest change in season, a 10 to 14 days nettle protocol during those transition periods can be unbelievably supportive. However, if you have asthma, breathing difficulty, chest tightness, or severe allergic reaction, do not rely on tea alone. Nettle supports the respiratory environment. It does not replace proper medication or care for serious condition. Also, one unbelievable health benefits for you, my dear women, this is so important. Nettle tea is so good for preventing osteoporosis. This is one of the most serious conditions for women after 50, and also is so good for your heart and circulation health. This is why it's so unbelievable for you to understand. Nettle is rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and vitamin K, minerals that support red blood cells production, bone density, and the muscle function. And daily energy levels for women who feel chronically weak and tired, who have been told that their iron is borderline, or who are managing early bone loss. Nettle tea adds a genuine layer of mineral supports in a daily routine. And benefit 5 is going to be skin digestion and circulation. This is so unbelievably relevant for women after 50. The antioxidants and the minerals in the nettle tea may support skin clarity, scalp health, and the hair strength from the inside. A cool nettle infusion can also be used externally as a gentle hair rinse for oily scalp or weak hair, but never on open wound or infected skin. For digestion, nettle may reduce bloating and support the elimination metabolic waste through the normal kidney and the gut-weight pathways. This nettle tea had many other health benefits that I see in my patients, but this is just a couple of them I really want you to remember. If you are using a lot of medication, you have all those chronic diseases, heart diseases, kidney diseases, liver diseases, or any kind of diseases, this tea really is not recommended for you. In my viewers, nettle tea is not a miracle, it is a clinical tool, one of the most mineral-dense plants in traditional medicine. And when you use it correctly with the right protocol for the right person, it can genuinely support your joint, your kidneys, your energy, your skin, and your hormonal balance after 50. If you want to learn a lot more about nutrition, natural remedies, buy my books, the links are below. And if you want to learn a lot more about the rosemary tea health benefits, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me, see you next time, bye bye.